In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off viewing restrictions on Netflix. So for this, you need to go to Netflix. You want to sign into your account, of course, and then click on the arrow, which is going to launch a drop-down menu where you can click on account. So that's step number one. Once you're here, you can scroll down and you'll be able to find your profile and parental controls. Next up, you want to find your profile so that you can turn off the viewing restrictions. So as you can see right there, for this profile, it says 12 and below, and the other profile says all maturity ratings. So you want to click on the arrow, and right here you'll find viewing restrictions. Click on change. Right here you would need to enter your password. Click on continue, and then right here you can change it. So you can click right here, 6, 9 and below, 12 and below, and then right there you can put 18 if you want that. Of course, it's up to you how you want to change this, but next up, hit save right there, and that's pretty much how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. That would help me out a lot, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you want to get daily content like this, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.